Myself, Viresh Koti, managing partner BSV Earthmovers. We started in the year 1996. Basically started wagon loading for Vedanta Limited in 1996 at Saslu. Noisy operations, leakages and slower cycle time, these are the main challenges. CAD dealer basically did technical analysis of the machine and advised us to go for rehab. And the rehab was conducted at Caterpillar Workshop at Chennai. And the finance was arranged by dealer through CAD Finance. The machine was thoroughly attended and genuine spare parts were used and repaired. We got one of the best services from a CAD dealer and good discount also. So it is affordable. After rebuilt, production increases and the cost is almost 50% of the new machine. And warranties, cost effectiveness, service, the cost has come down, no, definitely. We can at least cut our cost by at least 2 to 3 rupees in our production cost per ton basis, I'm speaking. Hourly, around 300 rupees, 300 to 400 rupees, you can cut our cost. The machine, if I have sold it, it has not gone more than 10 lakhs. Now, after repair, even if I spend 75 lakhs, as good as 1.5 crore machine. Earlier, when regular maintenance, they used to come on regular basis when they are on-call basis. And there are scheduled maintenance used to be scheduled like that. And now, since the number of machines are more, one service engineer is posted here itself, and they maintain the scheduled maintenance. So I don't have to worry about that. Jamka has been like a family, and I think they are one of the reasons for us to grow at this stage.